Hey, it's Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget and I am getting out of New York. And it's just as well because the way the air is right now, of course they said on the news, anyone that has contacts, you're gonna struggling. So it is perfect timing that I'm out of here. I am gonna be packing for 1 month. If you've been on the channel for a while, you remember last year's video where I was traveling like a minimalist and I used a carry-on backpack for everything. I can't do that now with 1 month. I bet someone out there can, but I cannot. So I'm going to be trying some other techniques. I'm going to be using packing cubes that have compression in them to hopefully carry all of the things that I need in one suitcase and potentially that backpack. I have many obstacles within this challenge. So for one, I'm not just going on vacation. I'm going to dance professionally somewhere. So I'm going to need all that dance gear. I need my regular clothes. I need my rehearsal clothes. I need some dance shoes, athletic footwear. I need going out clothes, potentially. I need swimwear because I'm going as warm. I need hair products. I need skincare products. I need a whole slew of other things because it's going to be a while that I'm away and I need to function for the many things that I'm doing. So this is going to be quite the challenge. But my number one goal is that I want to keep it minimal. I don't want to overpack. I always overpack. I don't want to be overweight, which is why that luggage scale is going to come in handy that I had in my travel essentials video. But to start this video off, I am a little concerned because I just got the compression bags and this is all I got. And I'm like, is everything in there? Because I think I got like 6 of them or 4 of them. Gonex compression packing cube. I got the large, medium, small, extra small, slim, and a laundry bag with it. I really was just looking for whatever one could come the fastest because I'm leaving in a couple days. Like, this is crazy. We're packing kind of like last minute, but that's a whole nother thing. So let's open it. The fact that it was just shipped like this and no one took it, I'm very grateful for the people around me. Although I'm not that grateful because someone swiped the glow, I think it was watermelon drops that I had ordered. So I didn't get that. Thank you very much. But anyway, let's see inside. I wanted something that had like a light material and I think the compression is really cool. This has mesh on the front and then it has like a waterproof material at the top and then also on the back. So this is all of one side. I guess this can expand to about here. And then you would zip it up and that's supposed to suction it down. I hope so. Here's the laundry bag that I don't really need, but you can probably use it for your shoes. It doesn't have any compression. So here is another size as well. This could be good for underwear, bras, small stuff, socks, etc. Got the little handle here as well. Then I've got some other sizes, so I feel like these are really small and did have the opportunity to read the measurements and I chose not to, and this is the face of instant regret. This is the biggest one. It's a square shape and I'm feeling like I need another set. I just feel like I did so much research, but this is not convincing me. I think I want to have 2 sets of these. Okay, so I'm ordering another set. This is from a different brand called Cambond. I'm ordering this one, and this is a set of 4. It looks like the medium is a little bit bigger than the medium that I currently have, whereas this is a set of 5. I'm getting 4, and I think I'll feel better about that. These are $28, and it is on sale. I have a friend helping me to build my skincare before I put it in my toiletry bag. So whenever I'm packing, I have to do like a preliminary run so that I can see everything that I'm thinking I can carry and then like downsize. This is the suitcase. So it's got to all fit in there. Plus my travel backpack. I really don't want to carry the small duffel as well. So here's what I think I'm going to be wearing over the next month. I obviously went to my magic bullet. Just some little things to just kind of kickstart. So having some oats, some seasoning, etc. The chaos that is my toiletries. Okay, we're back. It's 2 days later and my package has arrived. Comes super small again, but this time I know not to be thrown off by that. This is from the brand Cambond. I paid $28.99 for this. 1 large, 1 medium, and 2 small. So let's compare real quick with the Gonex brand. What are these names? They're always so small looking. I don't know what I'm expecting, but it always just looks smaller than I think. Okay, so it unpacks very widely. So this is one size. This one has the same vibe of like this waterproof, kind of like a rain jacket material, which is really great. And then they as well have an extra zipper so that you can expand or compress it, which is the whole point of this video. I'm going to put the measurements on the screen so that you can see. Here is the large size. This must be the medium. I like that they're color coded, so you know the difference between each of them. This is the medium size. And here are the two small. This one is 15 by 14 inches. This one is 15 by 15 inches. So it is slightly bigger. Putting them up against one another, you can see that the Go Next brand is a little bit wider on each side. This size is 13.7 by 9.4, and this one is 11.8 by 9 by 1, so it is smaller. This one is actually 9 by 8 by 7.5, and this one is 11 by 8. You get a large, a medium, a small, baby one, the 7-incher that I mentioned. Then you have the slim one, which is 13 by 3. So obviously, this one is the better deal. You also get the shoe bag as well. So having all of that in comparison to this one, which you've got, once again, this one right here. Then you've got the medium size, and then you get two small. We shall see which one of these is better or how they both hold up. I'm going to be using all of them. My collection of most of these fitness tops is from Amazon. This is that lemony top that I absolutely love. I wear these to the gym all the time. Still have my girlfriend collective top. I have 3 of the lemony tops. 2 of my girlfriend collective tops. I got this one from Amazon. I think this is lemony too, but a different style, like a V-neck.
Okay, so I thought it would be helpful to just see in action how many shirts I can fit in. This is me the very first time packing this, so obviously there's going to be some trial and error, but I figure it's worth to see the whole clip. Yeah, that was incredibly ambitious. So some of those did have to come out, but I think I only took like 3 or 4 out, or 2 actually. And then I was able to actually close it up. But of course, the zipper did pop off. The actual metal zipper was fine, but it was just a little attachment. And then from there, I was actually able to close it up and it looked good. It was compressed, so I was happy about that. And now I'm moving on to trying the Go Next. Sorry, the lighting is bad, but these are all my bottoms. And I decided to try unfolding them and seeing if that could help me to fit a few more in. And then I added my shorts on top. And it actually did pretty well, and it felt really sturdy. And I was able to do the compression on that as well.
It is time for the moment of truth, the moment we've all been waiting for. I packed all of the bags that I have. Actually, that's not true. That's a lie. I didn't pack all the bags. I still have this one. I still have this bag. I actually still have 1, 2, 3 bags to fill. There's good qualities and not so great qualities in both of them. I feel like this one is more flexible, the compound or combond. I feel like I can stuff more into these surprisingly. I don't know if it's just the type of material that has like a slightly little bit more stretch. One of the little pieces came off. It's not the biggest deal because the zipper itself still works, but you know, in terms of construction, I'm just giving the review that popped off. No pop seams so far. Nothing against having the smaller sizes, but if I'm trying to put most of my clothes together, I kind of think I prefer these bigger ones or just a little bit larger size. Now, the Go Next one is still legit. It's just, I feel like it's a higher quality of fabric. I like the mesh. I think that the zippers are actually going to stay, but I feel like I actually got like a hair more of stuffing ability in the other brand, but these are still really great. Which one's gonna last longer? It's gonna be the Go Next. But I'm packing for a month. If you're packing for a week, 2 weeks, even 3 weeks, you might not have all these clothes. So this is like an extreme example. So this is what I got. I don't know the measurement of this, but this is a Revo. I've had it for years. I took it to Korea. Uh-oh. So that takes up this whole section. But let's, see. So it would be something like this. I could. So technically I could fit 3 over here, but that would be it. I mean, I'm sure I could probably like throw some shoes on here. For example, this is not how I'm truly packing, but the last 2 things in here, and then I would zip this up. So as cute as it was that I could close that, I still have a ton of stuff that I need to pack. So we're in a situation. I think that this is a telltale sign that I need to circle back around, take some options out, and repack again. But if you were curious, it does all fit. And let's go one step further, because remember, we don't want to be over 50 pounds. So let's find out what we're really working with right now. And again, I am glad I'm not leaving tomorrow because I know already that I have more that I need to pack. So I just wanted to show the example of how much those packing cubes could hold and how they work in a suitcase. So if you were in my last video, my Amazon Travel Essentials, I reviewed this and I loved it. Oh gosh, I just feel like it's already over. And maybe I am gonna have to do the duffel. See what we're working with. Oh, okay. Ah, it's so heavy, but it's only 32 pounds. This being 32 pounds makes me feel good. The fact that it's 32 pounds of clothes does not. So we need to start again. Back to the drawing board. We're gonna repack. And I will have to give y'all an update some other time to let you know what ended up happening. But this was great. This is what I wanted. This is why I pack early. So we got to figure it out. I do too much and then we got to pull back. But basically what I want to say overall is that depending on the size of the things that you're traveling with, that's how you'll determine which compression packs. Overall, they're both really great. I think that the Go Next brand is just a little bit higher quality, but I think I like the sizing better on the other brand. But remember, I chose specific ones, so you could just look through the different styles that they have and see if you can get one that has a bigger medium size or a big large size, and so you could double up there. That is my video. Let us have a conversation down below. If you have tips on efficient packing, comment that down below. I would love to hear it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm glad that this is not 50 pounds of clothes, but we're gonna get it together. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.